The 6-Peptide Booster Serum from COSRX is a really good product, but knowing how to actually layer it with other skincare products will make it much more effective, and that's what this video is all about. The first step is to cleanse our face. The face needs to be clean for the skincare ingredients to penetrate and do its job well. Now, if the face is not clean and you go on to apply some good skincare products, it can actually cause some damage to the skin as well, because we don't want all that dirt and other things penetrating into the skin along with the skincare ingredients. So make sure your face is all clean. Use a gentle cleanser. If you do want to use an exfoliating serum which has got salicylic acid, lactic acid or glycolic acid, you can use that as well in this routine. Now, if you've got makeup on, you need to completely get that makeup off your face. Maybe you need to double cleanse to do that. So make sure that your face is all clean before you move to the next step. So once your face has been cleansed, gently pat it with a towel. Don't rub it. Don't be harsh. Gentle patting with a towel should do. Now, leave the skin a bit damp. It shouldn't be damp like dripping wet, just a little bit damp. It shouldn't be totally dry. Just a little bit damp helps the ingredients which are going to be put on top of it penetrate and work more effectively. The next step is to actually apply the 6-peptide serum. I just take 2 drops or 3 drops. 2 drops should usually do onto one of my palms, and then gently put the other palm here. No need to rub it too much. Just gently put it here, just so that some of that product comes onto the other palm as well. Make sure that the product doesn't drip sideways and fall to the ground. So you've got product in both the hands, so straight away go to your face and gently pat it. No need to rub it. Gently patting all over your face works quite effectively. I'm going to very quickly talk about what the serum can actually do for our skin. Now, this serum has special workers called peptides. It's got 6 different peptides in it. Now, what peptides are? They are the foundational blocks for something called proteins. Proteins are like the building blocks. They keep our skin smooth, bouncy and strong. Collagen is one of the very well-known proteins. Less collagen in our skin means more fine lines and wrinkles. So if we want to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles, we need to boost that protein, collagen. Now, what peptides do? They all combine to form proteins. So peptides is step 1 and then comes protein. So that's how important peptides are. Different peptides do different things for our skin. Now, the 6 peptides used in this product, they repair our skin, reduce the redness on our skin, smooth out the fine lines and reduce the pigmentation on our skin. Now to the next step. What other serums can be used in addition to this COSRX 6-peptide serum? Now, what about a niacinamide serum? I would have to give that a miss, because this product already has niacinamide, and too much niacinamide in one skincare routine can actually cause redness and irritation on our skin, which we want to avoid. So no to the niacinamide serum. So what about the vitamin C serum? One of the peptides used in the 6-peptide serum is a copper peptide. Now, copper peptide works well on our skin when it's at neutral pH. pH is what measures the acidity or the alkalinity. Vitamin C, on the other hand, works very well at lower pH. So if you're going to use vitamin C, which requires low pH, in a skincare routine which has copper peptide, which requires neutral pH, the effectiveness of the copper peptide will come down. Both the products are not going to be effective on the skin at the same time. Even the vitamin C's efficacy will come down. So better not to use them in the same routine. Use them on a different day, or use vitamin C in the morning and use this peptide serum in the night time. What about retinol serum? You can use it, but again, the copper peptide can make the skin a bit irritated when it's used with other actives like retinol, so I would avoid that. There are so many routines, so why mix all of them in one routine? So try to use them in 2 different routines. Use the retinol serum on one day and use the 6-peptide serum on a different day. I like to use the 6-peptide serum in the night time because it does a lot of repair work for the skin. So such kind of functions are always better in the night time. So use retinol on one night and 6-peptide on another night. Why use them in the same routine and be wondering if it's working well or not working well or not. So just use them in different routines. What about an exfoliating serum like a lactic acid serum, glycolic or salicylic? Yes, you can use them. If you are going to use an exfoliating serum, after cleansing your face, apply the exfoliating serum, wait for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then apply the 6-peptide serum from COSRX. Now, the thing is, if you have used a cleanser which also has an exfoliating ingredient like salicylic or lactic or glycolic, don't use an exfoliating serum in the routine. If you're planning to use an exfoliating serum, I would avoid using exfoliating cleanser. I would just use a gentle cleanser, then use an exfoliating serum serum, wait for some time, and then use the 6 peptide serum. The next step is to apply a moisturizer or a cream. Use a good moisturizer or cream. You've come so far, you've used good ingredients, good things on our face. Now don't go for a moisturizer which has got fragrance, essential oils or anything like that. Use a good clean moisturizer, and that's it, because I prefer to use the serum in the night time. There's no sunscreen. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.